Hello, this is Georgina Zagara Chavez, and today my presentation is teamwork. So, teamwork is defined a little different than most places. According to Napoleon Hill, the definition of teamwork is as follows. Teamwork is a harmonious cooperation that's willing, voluntary, and free, whatever the spirit of teamwork is the dominating influence in business or industry. Success is inevitable. Harmonious cooperation is a priceless asset that you can acquire in proportion to your given. Teamwork is harmonious cooperation is willing, voluntary, and free. To me, the best thing they can explain teamwork, it has to be with nature. Yes, nature can give us the perfect harmonious cooperation that they have between all the elements in nature. In order for us to get food, our waste product, it goes to the soil. The soil make this, decompose all these waste product. Then what it does, it turns it into nutrients. So the plant comes, you put a little seed in there, so the soil is start nourishing, giving the perfect environment to the seed, nourish the plant, and then the plant starts. But it's with the help of Mr. Sun. So Mr. Sun is there and does the part. So also the soil covering the seed to germinate. So the darkness is needed, but also the nourishing, the pH, everything that has the soil in it to germinate the plant. The second thing is the sun, it helps out to get out. Now the plant knows where is the sun at because that's what it's all about. Then when it grows, the sun has to make the beauty as well. Besides the nourishing, all the nutrients that it has in the soil, nourishing the plant, you need to get the sun. In order for your sun to produce, oxygen for us, what it does in the plant, and it's a need, it's a vital need for the plant, is to use carbon monoxide. Take it and put it in there, combine it with the sun, and that produces oxygen, but the plants take the carbon monoxide as a part of the nutrients. So basically, all the waste products that we have goes to the soil and it decomposes, the plants eat it. Also, too, whatever we breathe out is carbon monoxide. All the animals produce carbon monoxide, so the plants take it and convert it into oxygen. That's how nature works. So the other thing, too, you have to understand that in order for us to get this valuable food, this quality air, we have to have the plants, we have to have the sun, we have to have the soil, and we have to have the water as well. So water is vital for everything happening. Also, it's vital for, animals to survive, humans, animals, and also for plant survival. So all of them, this is a cycle that works synchronicity, is perfection. And you can see how teamwork is perfection right there. So if you ever wanted to go ahead and mimic or copy, or maybe, try to imitate anything, teamwork, imitate nature, because nature is perfection. Perfection, nothing if they don't get anything, they just know that this is the way they're supposed to do it. And everything is to aim for a goal. For instance, in order for nature to survive, nature to keep being nature, to keep being food, to keep being plants, to keep being animals. All of these functions, they have to happen in order for life to occur. So for them, they're aiming for the life of plants, the life of animals. Nature, that's what it's aiming, the life, sustain life in this earth. So basically, that's what nature works hard to do that. That's what the clouds, they produce the rain. That's what the sun comes out. And you see a lot of people complain about, for instance, some days it's cloudy day, but we need the water, and the water is essential for all of us. If we don't have the water, it's not going to work. So next time that you want to do a work, that you have an idea that you want to work towards something, try to think about this. Try to think about how nature is doing it to gain perfection, but also to what is getting up there. So that's when you got to do as a teamwork, you got to go ahead and work together to aim a purpose, to go somewhere. Like nature is trying to preserve life, you guys got to go ahead and try to get, we have to do as a teamwork to gain to our goal. So if you don't have people to help you, or you don't work in a teamwork environment, you will never accomplish much, because all of us, we are limited. The way the soil provides some stuff. Some people provide some things like a technique, an idea, or maybe they have some a skill they can provide it to make the goal faster, to make it better, to make like nature perfection. So basically, working together, it is perfection as well. Because if you don't work together, you're probably never going to make it to your goal. So working in a team environment, that's how you can accomplish your goal, your ultimate goal. So basically, one of the main ideas on Napoleon Hill is to work together harmoniously, because that way we can work and it's easier for us and it is better for us. So you want to work with somebody, that's one of the things that you got to go ahead and try to do it harmoniously. That way you can accomplish the most out of it. All right, so this is my understanding of teamwork. So I hope that you like it. And again, my name is Georgina Zagara Chavez, and thank you for my presentation.